hot water vent tubes. And these tubes are worms. But these tubes have a head, and they call it the plum, or the plume. And when he wants to eat, and what is he going to eat? Whatever's outside, not inside. So, puts his head out and takes in the environment, which is the ocean. And you know, every fish that's in that area that swims around there leaves its traces in there. And those traces, when that tube worm takes them in, becomes that. Oh, there's no escaping. See? Oh, I go here just to look at things, but it's not affecting me. The hell it is not. As long as you hear it and see it, smell it, it is doing something to you. This is why you see a holy man in an aura. The aura prevents all these things from coming in. And only what you give out in that aura is the outside of you. Not outside of the aura. Because what comes in is only what that aura wants it to come in. And that is your food. See how selective we're going to get? And you walk around with this big light. And I can walk in the valley of death, and knowing that you are on my side, Lord, I fear not. You are the Lord inside. We have much work to do. Now, if you notice, we're going to have our companionship no place other than here. Here we'll have our companionship. And this place is being renovated in order to accommodate us with the new as much as possible. Now there is much talk about a Planet X coming through. And this is why these people outside are hiding. They're frightened of this Planet X. X means 10. Roman number. Numeral. Not number, numeral. Roman numeral. Planet X. And what is coming? Now tonight, out of all nights, watching Brian Williams, he showed some photos that these new telescopes are able to pick up. And they're able to pick up another solar system besides our own. And that's from where that Planet X is coming. And that Planet X, when it comes, will land into the chief priest. And that's where we get our eternity from. As much as I will tell you for that tonight, I want you to concentrate on the others. Now remember, in heaven, there are no soup houses, so we need no charity. We need no faith. Faith is awareness, all right? Awareness. When you become aware of what's going on, faith doesn't need to be. Hope. You take the H and put it at the end, you have open. Make an open. So you open one door, or you close a door, and you open two more. And you move ahead, and ahead, and ahead. And you never stop moving. So faith, hope, and charity is a necessary commodity for down here. But when down here becomes heaven on earth, it's not needed any longer. Because nobody will be starving. Everybody will produce his own food. Everybody will have a place to live. And no schools are necessary, because read the New Testament. And that master said, and you will know because I will write it in your hearts. Anytime you want to know something, the heart will tell you. Now when you went to school, you memorize something and you say, I know it by what? Memory or heart? Heart. Yep. This is where we're going. So with that, I wish to make a little announcement that 10 years ago today, my dear wife, Lolita, passed on. And so I dedicate this little talk to her, because even though I don't sense her, I don't feel her, but I know she's nearby helping me. Now as I was talking at Tarrytown, and I gave that 15-minute talk, an arrow was there. An arrow told me that while you were talking, I saw Alita sitting next to you, looking at you. We cannot see her, but she's here. Okay, Brian.
Anyone like to ask Pasquale anything? Teresa.
Planet X is good if it comes?
She wants to know if the Planet X that is coming, if that is a good thing.
Of course, that's what we want. It's not good for the crooks, but it's good for you and me, by all means. Because that will be the Almighty God. Yeah, that's a Father in heaven. All right? Oh yeah. Don't worry about it. Have no fear. Even though I walk through the valley of death, I know I shall come out of it.
Anyone else?
Read that psalm. It's either 23 or 24. Depends which Bible you have. Either one. And that's the one they generally read when they put somebody in a grave.
Teresa.
The people that are going to live in the caves are afraid of Planet X?
The people that are going to live in the caves, are they afraid of Planet X?
Well, they know it's coming, yeah, and they're frightened of it. See, finally, because of the internet, and they're telling a lot of people about it, The government is finally letting it out slowly.